Hey, 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 tribe. Hello, hello, hello. It's Coach Kathy from TeamFitFanFitness.com and creator of Vibe Tribe Group Coaching. I should have gotten situated first. Hello, happy Wednesday. Time change does have me so weird. Weird. Even though it's only an hour, off. Like it's 11 o'clock already. How did that happen? So I wanted to share with you guys What If Wednesday, because I was comparing myself, as I always do. If you're here live, do me a favor and give me a 1, say hello, send me some kisses or something, because when I get these things, I just want to share the world. It's so simple to change. Like, it is so simple to change if we just take the freaking action, right? So here's what hit me today. Like, I'm looking at my life and I'm doing what I love. There's still all these everyday life BS struggles, and like half the time I feel like I'm on the phone with whatever company or whatever problem, like with the roof and insurance things and, kids insurance and doctor's visits and braces. Like there's always something, right? And even though I feel the stress of that some days, I live the freaking life I've always wanted. There's more. I want more. But I feel like I catch myself comparing myself to my future self, and why isn't it happening? And this is why a lot of people quit, if they even started. So, first thing I want you guys to do, and serious, here's the other thing. You can watch all the videos and you can read all the freaking books, but until you do the freaking work, nothing is changing. And here's my thing. I'll go gung-ho. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, something comes up and shit, I got to start all over again. However, I already saw the positive changes that were happening after week 3 or week 19. And then I would stop for a week and everything was all freaking frazzle-dazzled again, right? This conversation is going to have way many topics. Way many topics. But the common ingredient is going to be consistency and just freaking starting. So, like, what if you got up? Because I'm looking at people, I'm looking at our behaviors, my own included, because I'm the first one to call me on my shit. Like, we get up and stress our frigging selves out by taking care. Most people, not everybody. If this isn't you, if it don't apply, let it fly. Good for you. But I know I spent most of my life, just stressing, just getting up and having to go to work and having to be there on time and having to get kids off first and making sure everything was done and just going home and letting my life just be sucked out of me at a 9 to 5 that I hated, or an 8 to 4. No, it was 8 to 5 because you didn't get paid that hour lunch. It was just, again, like Groundhog Day, doing the same shit over and over again, but dying. Have you ever been at a job where it sucks the life out of you? That's what it was doing. And I was doing what I loved in my spare time, which is helping people. Ultimately, that's what after doing the freaking work, I like helping people. Maybe I like to feel needed. I love helping people. It makes me feel good to help people, right? But none of it, I'm not helping anybody if I'm not doing my own work. And this is what I'm trying to tell my people. Like, I had somebody was telling me how long they've been working out with me, and nothing's changing. Like you can see, there's changing, but they're not going as quickly as possible. And there was a missing ingredient. The missing ingredient was the other part of exercise is nutrition. And you can eat clean and you can eat well, but like if you want serious results, there's a serious formula. Just like with anything, starting a new career, a new job, a new relationship, if you want to have, like, whatever it is, there's steps, there are ingredients to this freaking cake, right? And once you put those two pieces together, action with your goal, like, you're going to hit it. So yeah, this was my tangent on to live the life of your dreams. If you're like photography and you're at this 9-to-5 job that has absolutely nothing to do with photography, and you're miserable, the people there are miserable, you hate the job, but it's a job because I have bills to pay and I have to do it. Every freaking minute of your spare time, learn about photography, master photography, and eventually throw yourself a little side Facebook page out there. Like, market yourself, and this is how you do it. Set the freaking goal, give yourself a timeline, and I'm going to use myself for example. I wanted to be, and I tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? So 2017 goal was opening my fitness center. Well, I came in right under the wire, but it happened only because even in fear, even scared shitless, I took the next step. When I slacked and decided to stay in my comfort zone over the summer, because the goal was to have it by the summer, I got feared up, didn't take all the necessary actions, and sat back in my comfort zone. To have the life that you freaking love, get super crystal clear and pay attention throughout your day of things that are making you do this. Because I was catching myself in this old lifestyle like this all the time. And look, guys, like it made a very lasting impression, right? Because I was always, oh, what's next? Oh, what's next? Oh, what's next? And the more that you think, what's next? What's the next thing that's going to happen? Something's going to happen because that's what you're attracting into your life. Does any of this make sense? Because I feel so like, yay today. Because there are goals that I have to get me one step closer to the perfect ideal life that I want. And when I'm looking through, Lily wrote on that page, Lily and I journal together, at all of the things that I want to do, and then I wrote about my future self, what she does, this is, guys, you got to do this work right here. Lay out your current life day, what you do as soon as you wake up, like all your habits and your daily behaviors, like write everything that you do. And then write the future self of you. And what does she do every day? And look at all those things that bring you joy. And stop sitting on our asses watching Netflix or scrolling through Facebook, watching live videos and whatnot. And take every second to figure out what that passion is, what your purpose is, what's bringing you joy. And I don't care how old you are, how broke you are, how... I don't know, whatever excuse we tell ourselves, right? Limiting beliefs, remember that? And spend every second doing that. Because once you put it out there, you're going to see opportunities arise. You're going to see them just come into your life. The thing is, half the time, we never take that step to start. All right, little workshop I have going on. It's a 3-day workshop, Wednesday, 21, 28. I have to look at the exact date. It's $7. I put together all the stuff that the big girls taught me with some assignments. So this is more of a small group personal training session. So if you're ready to do something different with your life and do the things that make you happy, listen to this. The more we're doing the things that make us happy, the more likely we are going to be successful because we're happy. And that makes us do it more. And the universe feels that vibe. And guess what? If you're doing what you love, take a look at Will Smith and all them big players out there. This is what they practice, right? You'll be less stressed out because you'll be doing something that you love and it brings you joy. So you're smiling. It makes us better people for our family and teaching them more positive behaviors. They don't want to see us crying over the bills every other day and I got to go to work and I can't do this. And they just seeing us stressed out all the time. That's not good. That's not good. They want to see us happy and living life and loving life. Your finances will get handled because once we do the things that we love, success comes. And it doesn't happen as quickly as we want it, guys. But I'm already seeing the pattern just in the little thing that I'm doing. And then it also helps with our relationships. So the happier people we are, the happier world we're going to live in. So stop doing shit you hate. Get in the group. It's $7. You don't have to be in at any particular time. You'll log in. There'll be a video for you. There'll be an assignment for you. Because none of this shit works if we're not doing the work. None of it works unless we're doing the work. I choose to do the work. Have a great day. See yous.